Welcome to the Manager Overview. Manager is a web-based workflow application for commercial appraisers. This is the dashboard view. In this demo, there's two appraisers that are currently working on two jobs each. The reviews, no reviews right here on this dashlet. Here are the recent bids. You can track bidding, and here's the overall production. So in this demo, there's $9,600 of appraisal fees in the door with 4 jobs. If I click on an existing appraisal, let's try Jerry's report. You'll see that each appraisal is tracked in workflow. This one is an engaged appraisal. There's some information regarding that appraisal. The engagement goes to this guy, appears on their dashboard, automatically creates a report number, some billing details, commission if you work in teams, the valuation. This replaces your Excel job log where you track this information when the report is done. And when and who did you deliver? PDFs, hard copies, that type of information. The searching capabilities of Manager is very detailed to the various statuses of the appraisal as they go through. Property types, who worked on the appraisals, what county, state, job number, pretty much anything you can think of, you can search. Physical attributes of the subject property, when was it reviewed, different formats, BPOs, evaluations, FEMA reports. But basically, you can do on the basic search. So a bid comes in, you want to see if you've appraised it before. You can find, oh, nope, we haven't appraised it before. Let's create an appraisal. In this case, it's going to start at the bid process. Here's the various stages prior to bid. I put in the bank or the client, whoever that might be. I put in the address. Fill out whatever information I'm looking to do. Let's say it's a restricted appraisal. It's $2,000. What approaches am I going to do? Maybe sales and income, and maybe delivery in 2 weeks. I can also save information here. Let's call it just test. As I save that job, and let's say during the bidding process, I can add surveys. I just browse out, grab the survey. I can add contracts. Any information that's gained in the bidding process, notes, properties under contract, 1,200,000, whatever details I want to track during the bidding process. When I then, let's say a week later, this becomes an assignment, I go to engaged. It's going to send an email and go to the desktop of this appraiser. Look at that guy. I think he knows what he's an okay appraiser. It's going to go to that appraiser's dashboard. All this information is going to be tracked as we generate this test appraisal. It then goes to the dashboard as the test. If I click back into it, the appraiser then has been notified through email. It's also on their dashboard, and it's also emailed to them, goes to their phone. We have billing, we have commission if you work in teams. The valuation section replaces your Excel job log. Delivery, who did you send it to? Was it PDF? Was it uploaded to Uconnect or what system? Maybe it was emailed to AMC. There's also a calendar view. I can see what appraisals are due this week for myself, for my appraisers, or I could just dictate what reviews do I have this week. I can see it in a day, week, month, year format. Manager also has reporting, various reports. This is very important to identify what percentage are you capturing per client. You can actually see how many bids turned into real assignments. You can look at individual appraisal production. So for example, in this you can see the percentage of work volumes by your appraisers. You can actually see which jobs they are, what dollar amount. You can search by different times. Lots of reporting, interesting data. Getting back to the dashboard, this is an excellent way to run your appraisal firm. A bid comes in, you can easily see your appraisers. Are they busy? Are they not busy? Are you overloading one appraiser? How many bids are you receiving? You can see the dollar amount trends. Maybe you need to be more cost effective. You can see the overall production in your firm at any point in time. You can also see reviews, and you would want your appraisers to have just their own dashlet. They don't need to see other folks in the office, but as the owner of the firm, to have a workflow work properly, you need to see everything that's going on live where the appraisers worry about their own production. Oh, I hope you've enjoyed this overview of Manager. Have a great day.